Hello, this is Hans, the Dutch guy, with Much Dutch. And this time we will see how to pronounce in a regular Dutch accent the famous Dutch version of gin, Jenever, based on the berries of Juniper. The way us Dutchies say it is Jenever, Jenever. There is a very slight emphasis on the second syllable, Jenever, Jenever. All the letters will be pronounced, and if you can, with a rolling R at the end. Jenever, Jenever. I will have a taste of Jenever after dinner. I hope this video is helpful. You can help us by liking it and subscribing to our channel. And we have plenty of other content here, so be sure to check it out too. Tot ziens!